Alright.
This is my friend Sean's washing machine.
Hello.
And it's a Hotpoint washing machine.
Hi guys, my name is Kean. Come on. Up the Liverpool. Here, get out, you.
Yeah, get out, Sam. We don't like you.
Should we turn on, Luke?
Yeah.
Go on.
That's
That's
how.
he pressed the button.
Yeah.
Wash means turn on. Just 40 degrees.
Turn it off. And that's the laundry room keypad.
Yes.
And over here is the dryer. Look how awful it sounds.
And by the way, guys, hope loud when the lens will find
Look
it.
how awful it sounds. That sounded awful.
That was absolutely terrible.
Is this Hotpoint any good? Give us the thumbs up if it is.
Oh, I'm hopping outside.
Bye.
Show your